this tripod has and the other tripod does not have, or any sort of tripod might not have, you might have to buy an attachment. So you'll be able to slide your microphone in this area, and then you can see you'll be able to slide your video, so for video lighting, so that you can buy a small sliding light. So I can put it in a stand. You can see right here. I can see right here, I can stretch it, put it in there. I can start shooting my video. So for demonstration purpose, I'll show you how this setup's going to look like. What I've done is I've connected my microphone on the similar way I've shown you here. You can slide it in, twist it, and I've connected my phone in there. So you can see this is a very simple setup. So I can literally twist, turn, or whatever I want to do it. If I want to use this for outside, outdoor, you can use it for outdoor. If there's some place that you want to take a selfie or video, anything like that, but you don't have a space or spot, you can use this one for that too. So that means the legs you can twist, turn, again, whatever you can imagine. So you want to make it like this, or if you want to wrap around, in something like I can show you here. I can wrap around in the actual microphone spot, and obviously it's not going to break. It has very steady grip as well, so I can literally do that, and then you'll be able to see the setup here. So I want to have another video, or if I want to have another shot from the top angle, I can do that. If I want to do like a top down shot, I can do that as well. Like that's what this whole Podzilla will do that. So look, what I can recommend you is give it a try. Instead of buying a bigger tripod and then you might not be able to use that one for various application, buy one of these. So I'm not getting paid for this one, so that means this all review, what I'm providing you is a genuine review. I never owned any sort of a Podzilla GorillaPod. I thought it was just going to be a waste of money, but I was wrong. So this is a very versatile tripod. So that means if I have to compare this with gimbal, this is my DJI gimbal. So again, I cannot compare these two different products because they have a different footprint. They have a different, obviously work and workload and things. But in terms of comfortable, so if I have to hold this one, it is more comfortable to hold it. But the versatility, the thing that you can get out of this actual tripod, it is much more than using a gimbal. So if I have to use the gimbal, I can use this gimbal for a very, very steady shot. If I want to take any B-roll, I will be able to take a very, with the handheld, steady shot. But then you might see a little bit of shaky footage, but you can do edit some and pre-production as well, and the video editing. So that's what I mean. So look, if you like this type of video, sub to your channel. We also any friends who is planning to buy or wants to upgrade or wants to try out a tripod that don't want to hurt his bank or hurt her bank, give it a try. I would recommend this particular tripod and you would not regret it. And this is Genius X6 Jenny review for you guys. Signing out. Peace.